In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from iPhone 14 to Windows laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Windows laptop, you can easily transfer data from your iPhone. This will work for the iPhone 14 or any other model that you have, so you can follow these same instructions. Keep in mind that the same logic also applies if you have a MacBook running iOS, but of course the focus of this video is on Windows. So like I said, all that you need is the proper USB cable. For this video, I'm going to show you how to view this through a wired connection. There are wireless methods, however, I believe using a cable is the most convenient one, and most people will be able to view this right away without having to download additional tools or through setting up a lot of stuff. So all that you have to do is grab the proper cable, either USB-A to USB-C or USB to Lightning, depending on what you have available on your iPhone. So just grab the proper cable, depending on which one you need, and connect one end into the laptop, which is the USB-A end, and the other one goes into your iPhone. There is no secret to this. Immediately upon establishing this connection in this manner between the iPhone and the laptop, you are good to go. Now, if you open the File Explorer, if the iPhone is powered on, alongside the laptop, it will be accessible here. There might be a notification on your iPhone's screen where it is going to ask you if you want to trust or allow this connection, and if you choose yes, allow this connection, then all of the files will become accessible. You will see them divided by folders. You can open these folders to find photos, videos, documents, manage your apps, and so on, and you can drag these files between the iPhone and your laptop, or the opposite. So if you have files on your laptop that you would like to transfer to the iPhone storage, you can do so as well. As long as you use a high quality cable, your iPhone gets detected and you approve this connection, you can manage all sorts of files. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from iPhone 14 to Windows laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.